The 2026 BMW M2 CS in Brooklyn Gray takes everything enthusiasts love about compact performance coupes and pushes it into a new dimension. With its aggressive stance, flared fenders, and shimmering metallic gray paint that shifts beautifully under light, this car is not just about power, it is about presence. Every detail feels engineered for performance, but designed for emotion. Under the hood, BMW installs its 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, delivering 523 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. Power goes straight to the rear wheels through an 8-speed M Steptronic automatic transmission, propelling the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. The driving feel is immediate and raw, yet refined. The kind of precision BMW's M division is known for. BMW did not stop at raw speed. The M2 CS shaves about 100 pounds from the standard M2 by using carbon fiber for the roof, trunk lid, and interior trim pieces. The lightweight design enhances cornering response and balance, making every steering input sharper and more controlled. Even with its power increase, the car remains beautifully stable, communicating every bit of feedback to the driver through its chassis and suspension tuning. Inside, carbon bucket seats hug the driver firmly, while Alcantara surfaces and subtle M stitching remind you this is not just any sports coupe. The Brooklyn Gray paint outside contrasts perfectly with black details, aerodynamic spoilers, and massive M-specific wheels that give it a track-ready yet elegant appearance. The M2 CS is not only about numbers, it is about the feeling behind the wheel. It is for those who love the connection between man and machine, who crave precision, and who appreciate German engineering at its purest. While some enthusiasts may miss the manual transmission, the automatic's lightning-fast shifts and optimized gearing make this car incredibly capable on both the track and the street. BMW prices the 2026 M2 CS at around $99,775, placing it in exclusive company, but few cars deliver this level of raw energy and precision in such a compact package. In Brooklyn Gray, it is subtle yet bold, a modern classic in the making.